We have to add two decimal numbers. What we have to do first? First, we have to rewrite our two decimal numbers in columns, aligning the decimal points. So we have 0.8 and we have 0.8. How we add decimal numbers? The same how like we add whole numbers. So we have to add, after decimal point we have tens. So we add tens to tens. 8 tens plus 8 tens is 16 tens. So we have 6 tens and we have 1 ones. So now we add 1 plus 0 is 1, and we have to keep decimal point in the same place. So we got 1.6. This is my solution. We have to add two decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to rewrite these two numbers in columns, aligning the decimal points. So first number is 0.7 and the second is 0.6. First number has only one decimal place and the second is only one decimal place. So next, what we have to do? We add these two numbers like we add the whole numbers. So we have to add tens to tens. We have 7 tenths plus 6 tenths. So this is 13 tenths. So we have to write 3 tenths and 1 will go to ones. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1. And what else? We have to keep decimal point in the same place. Exactly in the same column we have to keep decimal point. This is my solution. We got 1.3.